Hello and welcome to a brand new video and a brand new review. The pair of shoes we're reviewing today is the Nike React Vision. There they are. I got the honeycomb colorway. So these released on February the 6th for a retail price of $140, 115 pounds. Now, first of all, I'm not gonna lie, the material on the upper is one of the main things that I kind of took notice to when I unboxed this pair, and just the feeling of it being it's a little bit dookie, man. It's a little bit cheap. It's not exactly what I thought it was. I thought it was gonna be a thicker fabric material, but no, it's like this very thin, almost like felt-like material. I can see this material creasing quite a lot. This pair definitely draws a lot of similarities to the Nike React Element 87. And I've got my pair here. Yes, pretty old and dirty, but I'm gonna do some comparisons and you'll definitely be able to see the design language is very similar. The toe box region has some fused material underneath to give it a little bit of support so it can hold its shape, but that's pretty much it. It's nothing substantial, you know, it's still pretty flexible. Now, Nike said that this was inspired by Mexican folk art. I guess so. I'm not too familiar with Mexican folk art. Like, if you didn't know that this was after Mexican folk art, I don't think you would make that connection whatsoever. This cheap ass felt material, and that's around the eye holes, and it's in this kind of gray colorway closer towards the toe box. It's in some yellow colorway right in the middle, and then some darker gray right at the top. One piece which is slightly thicker, and I can see this being quite comfortable, is the tongue. It's very thick and spongy, and it feels quite nice. It's a good solid material. This is where things get a little bit interesting. You do have this plastic counter at the back, which kind of sticks out and is just kind of angled off in this aggressive flat shape right at the back. The Vision is a little bit more pronounced, or quite a lot more pronounced, but this has a very, very similar fused plastic part right at the heel counter, and same with this one, except it's a little bit higher. And of course, the midsole completely reacts, so it is going to be very comfortable. So I would definitely give the comfortability points to this one. However, the design, I would definitely prefer this one to this one. I think this looks a lot better, the 87. This shape does look a little bit strange. Give me some tennis shoe vibes. Like, it just looks a little bit strange when it's on your foot, and it just looks a bit too straight and just, I don't know, it looks a bit weird. For this shoe, I would score it very highly in terms of comfortability. They were not lying when they said that this was one of the most comfortable React shoes that they've put out. I'm not going to argue with that. I think that's very, very true. React is just so good. It is such a good cushioning system that it makes it really, really comfortable to wear. So in terms of sizing, definitely true to size. No sizing issues whatsoever. That is the end of the video. Let me know what you think about the Nike React Visions. Will you get them? Will you not? Do you think they're just trash, or do you actually like them? Do you like this colorway especially? Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you again for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.